So you've decided to purchase the new device from Samsung's latest flagship lineup, the Galaxy S22. But which one is best for you? Here are 3 things to consider when purchasing. Hi, I'm Desi and I'm here to help you decide. First things first, the colors. This time around, we're getting a bit more colors to choose from. It's a color to complement our personalities. So we're getting the normal colors, that's the black, white, pink gold, and green, with additional colors depending on your device. The S22 Ultra gets the burgundy, graphite, red, and sky blue in addition to the already mentioned colors. But there's more for the S22 and S22 Plus with exclusive colors from cream, violet, graphite, and sky blue. In Ghana, the Galaxy S22, which is the base entry model, goes for 5,299 Ghana cedis. That's about $767 for 128GB of internal storage and 8GB of RAM. You can also go as high as 256GB of internal storage, 8GB of RAM, but this would definitely mean an increment in the price point. The S22 Plus goes for 7,299 Ghana cedis, whilst the S22 Ultra goes for 10,299 Ghana cedis with 256GB of internal storage and 12GB of RAM. All these being the base entry prices, so check your pocket to make sure they fit your choice. The S22 has a screen size of 6.1 inches, the S22 Plus a screen size of 6.6 inches, and the biggest of all being the S22 Ultra with a screen size of 6.8 inches. If you want to impress a girl you like, best go for the S22 Ultra because she'll definitely love big things. I'm kidding, but based on preference and hand sizes, you definitely know the one that's best for you and you know the one you prefer to go in for. On the upside, all these devices have very similar abilities. My favorite being the fact that you're carrying a powerful PC in your pocket. Connect your device wirelessly or via cable to a monitor or a television and turn on Samsung Dex. You get a complete desktop experience. Also with these devices, you have a portable wireless charger thanks to the Power Share feature. So turn on Power Share, flip the back of your phone and place either your watch, Samsung Watch or your bat on it and begin charging.